I bet you didn't know that it's entirely possible for artificial intelligence to help you make $1,000 in a single weekend. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds completely wild, maybe even a little bit like clickbait. But I'm here to show you the real, tangible method I've used to do exactly that. This isn't about some get-rich-quick fantasy. It's about a strategic, repeatable process that leverages the incredible power of AI to create value fast. The core philosophy here is what I call the proof-first approach. Instead of spending months building a massive, perfect product that nobody might want, we're going to flip the script. We'll create a small, high-value solution for a very specific problem, prove that people will pay for it, and then, only then, do we think about scaling. It's about validating your idea with real money, in real time. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through this entire system, step by step. We'll cover how to find a profitable micro-niche, how to use AI to create a digital product in just a few hours, how to build a simple landing page that converts, how to price your offer so it's an irresistible yes, and finally, how to get your first customers using a tiny, targeted promotion strategy. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1, and this is the most critical part, is to pick a tiny, hyper-specific niche. The biggest mistake people make is trying to sell to everyone. When you sell to everyone, you sell to no one. We need to find a small group of people united by a very specific, painful problem. Think inch wide, mile deep. Instead of people who want to be fit, think new moms in their 30s who want to do 15-minute home workouts without any equipment. Instead of small business owners, think Etsy sellers who struggle to write compelling product descriptions. A great framework for this is the intersection method. Pick a broad passion like baking and intersect it with a specific constraint or identity, like gluten-free. Now you have gluten-free bakers. Let's go deeper. Intersect that with a specific problem. Struggling to make bread that isn't dense. Boom! Your micro-niche is gluten-free home bakers who can't get their bread to rise properly. These are people with a specific, searchable problem, and they are actively looking for a solution. Now for step 2, using AI to create a high-value digital product that solves their problem. We're not building a massive 40-hour course. We're building a quick win. Something they can buy for a low price and get immediate value from. The goal is speed and impact. Think about creating things like cheat sheets, templates, or a mini course. For our gluten-free bakers, we could create a perfect rise cheat sheet. You can go to an AI like ChatGPT and use a prompt like this. Act as a world-class professional baker specializing in gluten-free bread. Create a one-page cheat sheet for amateur bakers. Include the top 5 reasons gluten-free bread fails to rise, with a simple, actionable solution for each. Also include a list of the best yeast-to-flour ratios for common gluten-free flours, like almond, coconut, and buckwheat. Format this in a clear, easy-to-scan table. The AI will generate the core content in seconds. Your job is to refine it, fact-check it, and design it beautifully in a tool like Canva. Or what about templates? For the Etsy sellers struggling with descriptions, you could create a viral Etsy description template pack. Use the AI to generate 10 different description formulas based on proven copywriting frameworks like Ada or Pages. Prompt it. Generate 10 unique product description templates for handmade jewelry on Etsy. Each template should follow the Pain Agitate solution framework and include placeholders for product name, key benefit, and materials. Make the tone conversational and persuasive. The AI does the heavy lifting of creation. You curate and package the final product. You could even create a mini course. This sounds intimidating, but it's not. A mini course could just be 3 to 5 short 10-minute videos. For our new moms, you could create a 15-minute fat loss finisher mini course. Use AI to script the videos. Prompt. Create a script for a 10-minute follow-along workout video for new moms. The workout should require no equipment, be low impact, and focus on core and glute activation. Include a warm-up, the main exercises with reps, and a cool down. Record these on your phone, do some simple editing, and you have a product. The key is that the entire creation process, from idea to finished file, should take no more than a day. Step 3 is to build a single simple landing page to sell your product. Do not overcomplicate this. You don't need a full website with an About Us page and a blog. You need one page with one goal: get the sale. Use a simple tool like Card, Gumroad, or Lemon Squeezy. Your landing page only needs 4 essential elements. First, a killer hero section with a headline that speaks directly to the niche's pain point and offers a clear promise. For our bakers, it could be, say goodbye to dense, gummy loaves, the ultimate cheat sheet for perfectly fluffy, gluten-free bread every single time. Second, a clear explanation of the offer. Use bullet points to list the benefits, not just the features. Don't say, includes a PDF file. Say, get an instant download PDF so you can start baking better bread in the next 5 minutes. Show mock-ups of your product, a nice graphic of the cheat sheet, or the video thumbnails. Third, social proof. Since you're just starting, you won't have testimonials. That's okay. You can use your own authority. Created by a passionate home baker who tested 50+ recipes. Or you can offer the product to a few people in your niche for free in exchange for an honest testimonial before you launch. And fourth, risk reversal. This is crucial for a new product. Offer a no questions asked, 100% money-back guarantee. It removes all friction from the buying decision. This brings us to pricing. You need to price it so it's an easy, impulsive yes. We're not trying to sell a $200 course here. Think in the range of $7 to $27. This is a tripwire offer. The price is low enough that people are willing to take a chance, and it converts a browser into a customer, validating your idea. For $1,000 in a weekend, you could sell 100 units at $10, or about 37 units at $27. It's very achievable. Okay, step 4, promotion. We have our niche, our AI-generated product, and our landing page. How do we get traffic? We're going to use a simple, two-pronged attack. First, one single paid ad. That's it. Go to a platform where your niche hangs out, like Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest. Create a simple ad campaign with a budget of just $20, $50 per day. The magic is in the targeting. For our gluten-free bakers, you can target people who have shown interest in pages for Bob's Red Mill gluten-free flour. Follow influencers in the celiac community or are in groups about gluten-free recipes. Your ad creative should be simple: a clean image of your product mock-up and a headline that mirrors your landing page. The goal of the ad is just to get a targeted person to click through to your page. The second prong is a few targeted organic posts. Don't just spam your link. Go into those Facebook groups, Reddit communities, or Instagram comment sections where your niche is asking questions. Provide genuine value first. Answer a question thoroughly, and then, where appropriate, add a line like, "By the way, I actually created a full cheat sheet that solves this exact problem. You can check it out here if you're interested." This builds goodwill and drives highly motivated traffic. Let's run through a mini case study. Niche: first-time fiction authors struggling with writer's block. Problem: they stare at a blank page, unable to start a new chapter. AI product: the unblockable chapter outline generator. It's a pack of 20 ChatGPT prompts designed to generate compelling chapter outlines based on genre, character goals, and plot points. Price: $19. Landing page: simple card page with the headline, "Never stare at a blank page again." Promotion: one Instagram ad targeting users who follow NaNoWriMo and Brandon Sanderson, plus 3 to 4 helpful posts in the R-Writing subreddit. You launch on a Friday. Over the weekend, the ad and posts drive a few hundred targeted visitors to your page. Because the offer is so specific and the price is a no-brainer, it converts at 5%. If you get 1,000 visitors, that's 50 sales. At $19 each, that's $950, right there. I launched a similar project, tweaked the ad copy on Saturday morning after seeing the initial data, and optimized my landing page headline. By Sunday night, I had crossed the $1,000 mark. Now, a few common pitfalls. What if you get clicks but no sales? Your landing page copy probably isn't resonating. Go back to your niche research. Are you using their exact language? Is your promise clear enough? A/B test your headline. What if your ad gets no clicks? Your ad creative or targeting is off. Try a different image. Broaden or change your interest targeting. The key is to make small, quick adjustments. Don't scrap the whole thing. Iterate. So let's recap the proof-first approach. 1. Pick a tiny niche with a painful specific problem. 2. Use AI to create a quick-win digital product in a few hours. 3. Build a dead simple landing page with an irresistible low-price offer. 4. Promote with one paid ad and a few targeted organic posts. This process is about showing value fast, validating your idea with actual sales, and then using that momentum and data to scale. Once you have a proven offer, you can create more products for that same audience, raise your prices, or build a bigger course. But it all starts with that first $1,000, that first weekend, that first proof point. I know we covered a lot, and you're probably wondering about the exact AI prompts, the landing page templates I use, and the ad copy formulas that work best. I've put all of that together in a complete toolkit. If you want to get your hands on it, all you have to do is hit that follow button.